So as next we have to come gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search key, then you have to type your model number Z890 and master AI2, then hit enter. After you can see here product, click to product. After that click to icon, this title, just single click. After that you can see here new tab open automatically. After that you click on support. So you can see drive OS, you can select all, otherwise you can Windows 10 and 11. So chipset, so first this one, and click to download. It is started downloading here. Then you can see open this, which is downloaded, then double click to open. Then click to yes. This is extracting data to your system. Wait few seconds, it will complete, then show. You can see here the installation. Now you can see here the because for your chipset drive this is required C++ Microsoft. So this is checking latest or not, and then now this is completed. So it is done. Okay, after that closed.